Canberra Gel, the original, all-natural, air-purifying gel. It can make any room smell good.
Even this pile of garbage and filth! I'm Robbie Cuter.
And I'm Stefano Lopez.
And today we're going to show you a new product we created. Have you ever walked around your house spraying this stupid little can all over the place, and only to have to spray it again in another couple days? Well, no more. Thanks to Canberra Gel, we've created a substance so perfect that you will never have to go through this hassle again.
How does it work?
How does it work? Good question. You simply open the cap, take off the plastic thing, like so. Yeah, alright. Then you take the gel, put it somewhere in your room, boom, fresh.
It can be placed anywhere, any place you need. It's even portable. Just snap the easy lid back on, put it in the pocket, and you're good to go.
Other competitors like Febreze use a lot of chemicals in their products. It pollutes our air. What else could I use?
You could use Canberra Gel with its natural ingredients like tea tree oil. It's harmless to the air and your family. What you do is you just snap the lid on, let it go through the air holes, put it in the corner, no harm done to anyone.
That's great.
John is a real person, not an actor.
I remember back in 2008, my house had a really bad smelling crisis. So of course, naturally, I'd try products like Febreze, but now when I smell it, oh, that chemical smell I just can't get rid of. Which is why I turned to Canberra oil.
We tested the smell of both air fresheners on 2 different patients.
Oh, that smells rancid.
It smells like old gym socks.
As well as the smell of our very own Canberra Gel.
That aroma is luxurious.
It smells like I'm on a tropical cruise.
Still not convinced about that great Canberra Gel? Wait till I tell you this. The price of this is more expensive than this. For just 2 easy payments of $1.50, you can get your very own Canberra Gel and keep your house smelling pure.